if your garage is too wide or too low, if your garage door is easy to deform. If you are looking for a luxury high-quality garage door, we can provide a solution for you. With the sliding design, our garage door can save more internal space for you. Our sliding garage door is designed for restricted height and extra wide openings. It can meet the needs of large opening of garage doors in villas, and it solves the problem of low hardness of large garage doors in villas. Only around 12 centimeters of space is needed at the top. When we install a side sliding garage door, the door panel runs along the walls. It saves more internal space. Our garage door is made of high hardness aluminum alloy profile, which is strong and light and has a long service life. The high-in surface also enhances the overall texture of the garage. The operation is also very convenient. It supports switch and wireless remote control. In addition, it also has excellent performance such as flexible start-stop, obstacle detection, windproof and anti-apply. We have unified installation standard for every single step. Our operation instructions can help you to learn how to install it. With guaranteed after-sales service and a 5-year warranty, ULE Panda will always protect your rights and give you our best service.